Hello everyone, I am Syed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will learn about the equilateral triangle and isosceles triangles. So here you are seeing the equilateral triangle. The first property of equilateral triangle is that all sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So suppose that this is the side AB. So this AB side, AB is equal to the side AC, this AC side, AC, and this is also equal to BC. So all three sides in equilateral triangles are equal. Suppose that if in a question there is a equilateral triangle of side 3 centimeter, that means all three sides of equilateral triangle are of 3 centimeter. See? Next property of the equilateral triangle is that each interior angle, this is the interior angle 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Three interior angles are there in a triangle. So in equilateral triangle, each interior angle is of 60 degree. So here each angle is of 60 degree. Here is also 60 degree, and this is also of 60 degree. So every angle A is equal to angle B, is equal to angle C, is equal to 60 degree. So each interior angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So this is the first, this is the second. Now third is, in equilateral triangle the altitude and medians are the same. So altitude and median are same. Okay, so these are same. Means if I draw a perpendicular line from the vertex with different color I am drawing, so this is the act as a altitude also, this line act as a altitude also, and this line is also act as a median because it join at the midpoint. Similarly for other vertex, if from the vertex V I draw a line, so this is also a altitude and median. Similarly for vertex C. So here I am use a different color for it. So similarly for vertex C, which we have already studied previously. So equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. In equilateral triangle each interior angle is of 60 degree, and equilateral triangle altitude and medians are the same. Now here I am talking about the isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangles the two sides are equal. So suppose that here I am marking the isosceles triangle, this is A, this is the vertex A, B and C. So here two sides are equal. Suppose that AB side is equal to AC side. So I mark here this AB is equal to AC. So in isosceles triangle these are the base angles. So these are the base angle, this and these two are the base angle. So in isosceles triangle first thing is that the sides, two sides are equal, and second thing the angle opposite to the equal side, which are called the base angles, these base angles are also equal. So this base angle, angle B, and this base angle, angle C, both these angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. Suppose that if this is the equilateral triangle, and instead of this, these two, this and these two sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, then these two are the base angles, and when these two are the base angle and these base angles are equal. Now third property is, so I have to remove this. Now the third property is, in this, if the line is drawn from the vertex A, and this is that vertex with joining the both the equal sides. Okay, so this, from this vertex, if I draw a perpendicular line, so this perpendicular line, it act as a median as well as a altitude. So this line, that is, I give a name for it. So the name for it, suppose that AD. So here AD is the AD line, it act as a median also. It act as a median also, as well as it also act as a altitude also. But this condition is fulfilled only from the vertex where two equal sides are joined. Okay, it is not fulfilled for vertex from vertex B. If I draw a line from vertex B, so from vertex B, this is the altitude and this is the median. So it is not possible for the vertex B. Similarly, it is not possible for the vertex C. But from the vertex A, which is the vertex where both equal sides are joined. So from this vertex, if I draw, so this is the median and altitude. But from the vertex B, this is the altitude and this is the median. Similarly for vertex C. So these are the properties of isosceles triangle. So here I am ending our video. Thank you.